What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 25 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this Thor Resonate 30C. This Class A is great for couples who want some extra sleeping spots or a small family that doesn't want bunks. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Thor Resonate 30C. This RV has a lot of great sleeping options, but it has no bunks. Before we tour this RV though, let's take a look at the specs. So this RV is a gas Class A motorhome. It's got a gross vehicle weight of 18,000 pounds, a total exterior length of 31 feet 11 inches, a total height of 12 feet 2 inches, and this RV seats 6 and sleeps 6. Alright, so let's go ahead and start on the outside of this RV and then we'll head inside. So up front you've got your huge windshield, and then coming to the side of this RV you've got two slide outs, one small slide out for the bed and one for the whole living room and kitchen. Down here you've got some underbelly storage. Now this isn't pass-through storage because this is a gas motorhome. On a diesel motorhome you would have full pass-through, and then you've got a little light. And then you've got some more baggage doors along the bottom. And then over here you've got your 50 amp power hookup, and then you've got this little storage compartment here on the back. And then below this storage area you have a generator. Now this is a really nice feature to have on a motorhome because you can just pull into a rest stop or a Walmart parking lot and you can just turn on your generator and run your whole coach. That's a really nice thing to have. The slide outs have slide toppers, and then on the back here you have your gas tank as well as a trailer hitch that can tow 8,000 pounds and has a tongue weight capacity of 500 pounds. You've got a ladder on the back, and then heading over to the campsite you've got this outdoor kitchen on the very back of the RV. You've got some cabinets, and then you've got this pull out griddle, which is really nice, and then you've got a water hookup. And right next to the outdoor kitchen you have an LP gas connection in case you wanted to set up a grill. Above that you have your furnace exhaust, and then you have your city water connection as well as a 19-foot awning on this RV. And then this RV has framed windows, just your standard RV windows, and then you've got an outlet right there for your TV. And then you've got this little area where you have some batteries and some more electronics. I'm ready to head inside of this Thor Resonate 30C. And this RV has a mid-entry door, so it doesn't have the door up front. It's just got a door in the middle. So let's go ahead and head inside this RV and check it out. So you've got a jackknife sofa that sits next to the entry door. And then above the entry door you have a cabinet as well as a mirror, and this RV has 3 steps, so it is quite the climb to get inside this RV. And then you've got these 2 large cabinets that sit directly above the jackknife sofa, and then this right here flips out into a bed, and it actually has seat belts. Then you have this pull-out tray, and then you have a screen for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and this RV sits on a Ford 7.3 liter V8 chassis. And then you've got some more cabinets up above, and then you've got your leveling system. Then these are really nice comfortable leather seats, and then you've got a drop down bunk above the cab. Over to the dinette you've got this large pull out drawer on each side, and this table drops down into a bed. And then you've got a TV that sits directly across from the jackknife sofa. Let's take a seat. So this right here is kind of the view when you're going down the road, and you got a nice view of the TV. Over in the kitchen you have this drop down cabinet for a sponge as well as these large pull out drawers, and then you have a cabinet for a trash can that sits underneath of the huge farmhouse sink. And then you have a sprayer faucet as well as solid surface countertops. And then you have these large cabinets that are quite deep, and then you have a microwave as well as a hood vent, and then you have a 3-burner cooktop, and below that is a pretty good size oven. Next to that is your refrigerator. Now this right here, you have your fridge on the bottom, and then you have your freezer on the top. Across from the kitchen, you have the bathroom. Now, this bathroom has a really large shower with a skylight, and I like this much better than the corner shower. And then you have a vanity with cabinet space beneath the sink, and then you have a mirror, and then above the toilet, you have these cabinets. Now, these cabinets aren't very deep, but they're still cabinet space. And then you have a hand towel holder, as well as your hot water tank controls. And then you have your light switches, and then you have a simple vent fan. And yep, it's a porcelain toilet. And it's a foot flush. Alright, now let's head to the back to check out the bedroom. Now I want to let you know that this door is broken, that's why it looks a little funny. Right before you head into the bedroom, you've got this tall, narrow cabinet with a lot of cabinet space. Alright, now let's check out the bedroom. So you've got a huge king-size bed that sits in a slide-out, and on each side of the bed you have a window, as well as these 3 overhead cabinets. And then in the back of this bedroom you have a window, and then check out these huge cabinets. They both pass through to each other, and then you have your ladder for the bunk above the cab. Over here are some pull-out drawers, and then above that is the TV. Alright, that right there is going to do it for the tour of this Thor Resonate 30C. What do you guys think about this layout? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this RV tour, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. You're going to want to follow along because we are 5 days away from the Florida RV Super Show, where we'll be checking out all of the newest 2025 models. So if you have a specific model you would like to see, let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.